much crime. It's a state of emergency. People living in fear, scared to go anywhere now publicly. Mr. Police Commissioner, your orders from the governor was to clean up the area. Your efforts were a failure. Do something, say something, so we could stop all this killing. For someone you know, a love becomes the victim. Hey, hey, line, line, hey, line, line. Too much violence in such a small community. Rape, so much rape that we read in the news daily. Man, it is really sad to see a dad molest his family. What kind of man could be so bold to rape a little 9-year-old or someone from his own household? These things cannot remain untold. Do something, say something, so we could stop all this raping. For someone you know, a love becomes the victim. Hey, hey, line, line, hey, line, line. So much thieves, every day is an next robbery. They're stealing anything, man, this is sure to bring us tragedy. Please make it your priority to protect this community. Stop all this rape and robbery, or more will die innocently. Do something, say something, so we could stop all this stealing. For someone you know, a love becomes the victim.